Welcome to today's video. My name is Rob and I'm going to show you how to hide rows in Excel. Rows that are hidden in Excel do not print. So when you go to print, you see they do not show up. I actually hid 3 rows. So how do you hide 3 rows? Well, there are 4 options. The first one is you select the row that you want to hide. If you want to select non-consecutive rows, you click on the first one, hold your Control key and you go to the ones you want to select. You go to Home, you go to Format, you go to Hide and Unhide and say Hide Rows. Now you see a key combination of Control plus 9. That hides it as well, but I'm going to use the button Hide Rows. Now you see they're gone. You can tell by the numbers that are missing and the double line. The other way to do this is by right mouse button on the number column and say hide rows. And now they're gone too. And the third way of doing this is by selecting the columns, put your mouse in between and just say drag, and they're hidden. And that's the way how you can hide rows in Excel. If you want to help me out, please like and share the video. Subscribing would help me out a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.